welcome back to Everyday Matters with Terry, and thank you so much for stopping by. So it's officially 2024. Can you believe it? Where has 2023 gone? It started like yesterday and it ended so quickly as well, and now we are in 2024. So this is officially my first video of the year, and I thought I would come back quickly just to wish you a very happy and prosperous new year, and also just so we can share a few things about the new year. So today's video is not a vlog and it's not an unboxing video, even though I've got a parcel here that I'll be unboxing as we go. Okay, but I just thought I'll come quickly to just talk about our goals and our objectives for the new year. Okay, and like many of us had goals for 2023. So what I want you to ask yourself at this time is, what were your goals? Did you achieve those goals? If yes, great. Okay, but if you didn't achieve the goals that you set up for yourself in 2023, if you achieved 1, 2 or 3, that's amazing. But if you didn't achieve all of your goals for the last year 2023, then what I want you to ask yourself is why. Okay, so why were your goals not achieved? Okay, because that's the only way you can go forward into the new year with new goals. Okay, if you haven't achieved your goals for last year and you're setting up new goals for this year, if you don't know why they weren't achieved, then they're likely not going to be achieved this year either. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to ask yourself, why were my goals not achieved in 2023? So once you know that, you can then put steps in place to actually achieve those goals. So you want to gain clarity of what you want for the new year. If some of the things you had wanted in last year were not achieved, you can move them onto the new year 2024 and have clarity on how you're going to actually achieve those goals. Because without clarity, it will just be wishful thinking, things that you've wished for that are not going to come to pass. So you want to know exactly what you want, and you also want to know exactly how you're going to achieve this goal. So you want to do that, you want to break those goals into small bits. Okay, because when we think of the goal in a big picture as a whole, sometimes we get scared, we don't achieve these goals. But when we break it down to say, in this first 3 months, this is what I'm going to achieve. The next 3 months, this is what I'm going to achieve. The next 3 months and the next 3 months, this is what I'm going to achieve. Then in that way, we can concentrate on chunks of our goals, and then we can go ahead and achieve them. But if we say, this year I want to achieve A, B, C, D, we haven't actually strategized to say, okay, this is how we want to go about it, then the likelihood is come September and October, we'll still be saying, oh, I've got 3 months, I've got 4 months, and I want to achieve this. But if we've broken it down to January, February, March, this is what I'm going to achieve, or the next 4 weeks, or the next 3 months, the next 6 months, this is what I'm going to achieve, and then from this time to this time, this is what I'm going to achieve, then it gives us a better picture on how we're going to achieve these goals. But while I'm talking, I'm just going to open this parcel for you as well, just so that we know what we're talking about. Okay, so for me personally, I had one goal for 2023, just one goal. Okay, and I know majority of you that follow me, you know that I wasn't online a lot. And the number one goal I had for myself is 2023 was to look after myself, to look after my mental health, my physical health, and my well-being. Because it came to a point where I felt, actually, look at that. It came to a point where I felt really, really drained because of doing so many videos, looking out for people, looking out for friends, and all of that. And I became really drained. And for 2023, I said to myself, it's time to buckle up and look after myself. And that's exactly what I did. Did I achieve it? I can tell you, yes, I did. I absolutely achieved my goal. So this is just one of the things. I ordered this parcel from a website called Temu, where I've ordered a few other items before, which I've unboxed on here. Okay, so this is just the pajamas, a pair of pajamas, but it's short sleeve. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is the trousers. So it's blue and red and white. I love it. Okay, I probably will be wearing it tomorrow or something. Well, I absolutely love it. Okay, so like I was saying, did I achieve the goals I set out to do? That one singular goal? Yes, I absolutely did. Okay, and I achieved other goals as well, to be honest with you, even the things that I didn't set as a goal. So my priority was my mental health and my well-being, and I absolutely achieved that. And to be honest with you, I'm in a better place now. So this is just another puzzle in the puzzle. Okay, I'm in a better place now than I was 12 months ago. Okay, so that's how important it was for me to actually like take a break. And you all know that I've made videos about taking a break before. So when you go in whatever you're doing in your life, in your career, there comes a point you need to take a break. And you need to be sensitive and mature enough to know when to take a break. When your body, your mind, your brain is telling you it's time to take a break, then you absolutely must take that break. Otherwise, your body will break down for you. Okay, so this is the next thing I ordered. Okay, so this is just, look at that, a pair of trainers. I saw it and I loved it, absolutely loved it. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, like I said, it's not an unboxing video, but it is an unboxing video in a way. So here it is. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Okay, and this, amazing. Okay, so that's the second item I bought. Okay, and this one is just air fryer, for my air fryer paper or something. So I ordered an air fryer a few months ago, and every time I use it, I have to wash it. And to be honest with you, I don't like it. You can see I'm lazy or whatever, so I thought I would order something. This is a bit small, but I think we'll manage it until I get something bigger. But it just goes in the air fryer. So if you're making chicken or chips, whatever, you just put it in here, and then you air fry. Okay, instead of having to put it in directly in the air fryer, and then at the end of the day it's dirty and then I have to wash, which is something I obviously don't like to do. Okay, and the fourth item, the only 4 items in this package. There are two packages actually. The other one is still on its way. So this one is just like a fruit tray. So it's a tray where you put fruits in. So for this one, I will have to assemble it myself, I think. So yeah, these are the components of the food tray. So I might be able to show you when it's all assembled. Yeah. It actually looks smaller than I thought. I thought it would be bigger, but what I ordered versus what I got. But I think it will be helpful because I haven't got much storage in my kitchen, so this would help to put my fruits and maybe some veggies like onions and all in one of the trays, and then fruits in the other, or fruits in both. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, but these are just the things I ordered. Okay, so for my goals from last year, so yes, I did achieve that one goal, which was my priority, which was to take care of myself, my mental health and well-being. And like I said, I'm in a better place now than I ever was 1 year ago, 1.5 years ago. Okay, do I have goals for this year? Absolutely, I do have goals for this year. It got to the 31st, the 1st of January, the 2nd of January, and I'm thinking, what goals do I have? Because I didn't want anything so ambiguous that I won't be able to achieve. There's some things that I want, there are things that I need, but I didn't know if they were going to be goals. And just yesterday and the day before, I thought, you know what, why not make this thing a goal and make this thing a goal and work on it? So those 2 things are the things that I'm going to be working on this year, and I'm also going to come back to tell you whether I have achieved it or not. Okay, but that's what I'm going to do. So for you as my subscribers, my follower, if you're watching this video, it's fine if you don't have a goal. If you have things that you want to work on, if you have just one goal, it's absolutely fine. If your goal is to take care of yourself and your mental health, to prioritize your time and yourself, then that's absolutely fine. Like I did last year, you can also do that. Okay, but when you do that, you need to make sure you know how you're going to achieve that goal. So for me, one of the things I said last year was, if I don't call you, it's because I need you to call me. Okay, so I stopped calling people as much. I still call from time to time, but I wasn't like giving myself out there because I needed to take a step back, and that's exactly what I did. So you need to know how you're going to achieve that goal. If you want financial freedom, you need to know how you're going to achieve that financial freedom. If you want to lose weight, if you want to become more healthy, then you need to know exactly how you're going to do that. If you want to lose weight, if you want to be more healthy, you need to know what you're eating. You also need to know that you need to do exercise or register for a gym or things like that. If you want to be a better version of yourself, you need to know that you need to be mindful of what you consume, okay, what you are taking in terms of what you're reading, what you are seeing, and all of that. So you really need to be mindful of that. Okay, so it's good, like I said, to have goals, but you also need to know how you're going to be able to get that goals to be achieved. Okay, but I thought I'll bring this one to you quickly. Like I said, it's not an unboxing video, but it's kind of is. Okay, well, it's also my first video of the year. I hope you have an amazing new year, wonderful and prosperous new year, and hopefully we'll see more of each other this year, this time around. Okay, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.